up here in the Caribou. We're just searching for some lakes that we can do some access with our side-by-side. So I've heard the Minn fishing is good at Irish Lake, which is where we just got to. We brought the LX 270 here on our side-by-side, and we're gonna go do some Minn fishing. A little windy today, but should be okay. It's gonna be fine. So it's a little bit windy out here on Irish Lake. So we've decided to just troll a leech along the shoreline in about 10 feet of water, and we have our sinking line on today. And we'll see what we can come up with. So this is moose from 2021 that, funny enough, was shot of moose about 100 miles from here last season. So one thing we've been really enjoying is Borson cheese. Kind of like a cream cheese, and we spread it on top of our steaks. We do this for all our steaks, and it's incredibly good. Definitely recommend. Oh wow, this is really good. Shockingly good. It's hot, Cali. Don't burn your mouth. Okay, baby. For me. Somebody's got a full belly of moose meat. Cali. She's in all her glory right here. She ran about 15-20 kilometers